In the heart of a snow-covered Pennsylvania landscape, a heartwarming tale unfolded during one of the holiday seasons. A lonely 89-year-old man found himself snowed in at his home, with the impending storm threatening to disrupt his access to essential supplies. Concerned for her father's well-being, his daughter embarked on a frantic search, calling multiple stores in a desperate attempt to arrange a delivery. It was in this moment of desperation that Trader Joe's emerged as a beacon of hope. Despite not typically offering delivery services, Trader Joe's answered the daughter's plea with compassion and kindness. They not only assured her that they would deliver directly to her father's home, but also went above and beyond by suggesting additional items tailored to his special low-sodium diet. What's more, they insisted on delivering the groceries free of charge, spreading holiday cheer and warmth in the process. Trader Joe is not the cheapest place to shop, nor is the nightmarish parking and breath-sucking long lines between the midget aisles something to look forward to. No sales, no coupons, and no loyalty programs. Yet despite this unconventional approach, Trader Joe's has achieved something truly extraordinary. It has cultivated a devoted following akin to a fervent community or even a cult. Picture the scene: the queues snaking through Trader Joe's aisles, brimming with eager customers, eager to get their hands on their favorite products. And then there's the chorus of store-opening petitions, each one a testament to the brand's impact, stretching from the bustling streets of the East Coast to the laid-back shores of the West, and even crossing international borders into the land of maple syrup. But how did Trader Joe's transcend the confines of a traditional grocery store to become an icon of consumer devotion? This is the captivating saga of Trader Joe's ascent from obscurity to obsession. In the bustling aisles of the grocery store, where the monotony of shopping can often overshadow the joy of discovery, Trader Joe's stands out. Here, amidst the chaos of crowded shelves and hurried shoppers, the spirit of genuine care shines through, transforming each visit into an unforgettable experience. Step into any Trader Joe's and you'll immediately feel the difference. A warm welcome from smiling faces eager to assist you on your culinary journey. Unlike the impersonal robotic service found in other stores, Trader Joe's prides itself on its people-first approach to business. From the moment you walk through the door, you're greeted by friendly crew members who are not only passionate about what they do, but genuinely enjoy helping customers navigate the aisles. But what truly sets Trader Joe's apart is its commitment to top-notch customer service. Unlike the chaotic rush of other grocery stores, Trader Joe's boasts a plethora of cashiers and amicable employees always at the ready to assist you. As you approach the registers, you'll notice that they're not just staffed, they're highly staffed, ensuring shorter waits and smoother transactions than any other store you've visited. It's as if they've mastered the art of anticipation, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about creating an experience that transcends the ordinary. At Trader Joe's, it feels like the employees genuinely want to help you pay for your items and leave, a stark contrast to the impersonal checkout experiences at other stores. And it's not just about the service, it's about the experience. Crew members at Trader Joe's aren't just there to ring up your groceries, they're active participants in the tasting and selection process, ensuring that they have the knowledge and expertise to recommend the perfect products for your needs. Whether you're looking for a new snack to try or need advice on which wine pairs best with your dinner, the crew at Trader Joe's is always happy to share their insights and recommendations. Every Trader Joe's customer has a story to share. Consider the story of one customer who found herself longing for a particular soy ice cream cookie she had discovered at a Southern California branch. With a simple request, Trader Joe's went above and beyond, ensuring that the coveted treat was stocked at a Reno, Nevada location just for her. And let's not forget when the Phoenix Trader Joe's decided to open its doors well before the official hours, allowing customers to shop at their convenience. The happy ending stories of satisfied customers are endless. I bet there will be so many viewers who will share some wonderful moments in the comment section. Instead of relegating customer feedback to impersonal call centers, they foster direct human interaction between customers and the captains and crew members. And the results are undeniable. According to a study by the Temkin Group, Trader Joe's consistently earns high marks in emotion ratings, reflecting the positive feelings customers experience during their interactions with the brand. This emotional connection fosters loyalty, with customers eager to share their delightful experiences with friends and family. Trader Joe's success can be attributed to its unique product offerings, commitment to quality, and dedication to customer satisfaction. What truly sets Trader Joe's apart is its dedication to catering to the diverse needs of its customers. Whether you're a vegetarian, allergy sufferer, elderly person, or on a special diet, Trader Joe's offers a wide range of options to suit every lifestyle. From meatless alternatives to gluten-free options, their products inspire customers to experiment with cooking and offer alternatives to homemade meals. The orange chicken, candy cane Jojo's, Middle Eastern frozen dishes, dark chocolate peanut butter cups, and the list goes on and on. Trader Joe's ensures that everyone can find something to love. Every Trader Joe's customer has a unique product that only this store stocks.
Trader Joe's green tea mochi. Lovely.
It's mochi time.
Cheers.
Wow, this is absolutely glorious.
Banger.
That is glorious.
That's a perfect amount of green tea. Ducky, try that. Oh, all in, all in. Yeah. What do you think?
Wow.
Isn't that good? That's a happy man. That is wow.
Unlike traditional grocery stores that stock familiar brands and generic items, Trader Joe's prides itself on its selection of exclusive and specialty products. Every major brand has its unique selling point, and for Trader Joe's, it's the emphasis on value and quality. Trader Joe's has an array of products that scream value. From fresh produce to pantry staples, each item is carefully chosen to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and taste. What sets Trader Joe's apart is its commitment to providing products free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives, as well as avoiding GMOs, MSGs, and high fructose corn syrup. This dedication to offering healthier options at affordable prices has made Trader Joe's a favorite among health-conscious consumers. But Trader Joe's doesn't stop there. In its quest to bring unique and innovative products to its customers, the company goes above and beyond to source items from around the globe. From exotic snacks to gourmet ingredients, Trader Joe's travels far and wide to discover the latest culinary trends and bring them back to its headquarters for rigorous taste testing. This commitment to sourcing the best of the best ensures that every product on Trader Joe's shelves is of the highest quality and flavor. One of Trader Joe's most innovative strategies is its application of the paradox of choice principle. Recognizing that too many options can overwhelm customers and lead to indecision, Trader Joe's limits the selection of items and offers around 6 choices of popular items like pasta sauce. This curated approach not only simplifies the shopping experience, but also boosts sales by reducing customer overwhelm. Moreover, Trader Joe's private label products often surpass leading brands in taste and quality. Through strategic partnerships with well-known producers, Trader Joe's is able to offer products that are equal or superior to branded versions, all while maintaining affordable prices. This commitment to quality extends to their frozen products as well, which are free from artificial ingredients like food dyes and high fructose corn syrup. Trader Joe's success can be attributed to its unique hiring approach, prioritizing personality over mere skill. It's not just about retail, it's about creating a welcoming atmosphere where employees genuinely enjoy their work. This emphasis on cultural fit ensures a team of upbeat and friendly individuals who are passionate about providing top-notch customer service.
I used to work at Trader Joe's, which is a grocery store here in the US. I worked there for about 5.5 years. What was your favorite thing about working at Trader Joe's? And that would definitely be the working environment for sure, the pay for sure, and the people I got to work around. I was living in my heyday that past year at Trader Joe's when I was pregnant. When I was pregnant, they really went above and beyond for me. They let me work my own hours, like let me pretty much write my own schedule, which was phenomenal.
Competitive pay and benefits further contribute to attracting and retaining high-caliber talent. The result? A shopping experience unlike any other, where customers are greeted with smiles and helpful advice at every turn. Personal anecdotes abound, such as a cashier surprising a customer with flowers, reflecting the genuine care and connection fostered at Trader Joe's. This commitment to hiring and retaining happy employees translates into a positive work culture that permeates the entire store.
Welcome back to the comments section. I'm Brett Cooper. As you guys know, my favorite grocery store is Trader Joe's. I've talked about it a lot. I love going to Trader Joe's. I worked at Trader Joe's for about 5 years. The employees are happy and helpful literally to a fault, to the point where customers think that they are being flirted with. Everything is cute. Their seasonal products are to die for. They have the best pre-made and frozen meals that you can find. And as a former crew member, I can tell you that the company is truly fantastic. Like, they treat their employees so well. It is just all around an amazing company.
From the aisles stocked with innovative products to the interactions with enthusiastic staff, every aspect of the Trader Joe's experience is designed to delight customers and keep them coming back for more.